Hello guys, I'm here with Ibrahim today, and it's about project about Agro Youth Entrepreneurship. And how are you, Ibrahim?
I'm fine, a little bit nervous, but I'm fine.
So, where are you from? Where are you coming
I'm
from?
from Georgia, but I'm actually Turkish.
Okay. Tell me about this event. What do you think about it?
Okay, we are here in Sofia under the Erasmus Plus program.
Yes.
We are working on the agriculture, especially in the hazelnuts. We are working here with the e-guide because we are preparing e-guide, which is the mobile application. So we are making a presentation, so we are searching for information about the hazelnuts, which will be included in the mobile application, which will be useful for the hazelnut producers.
Nice. What do you think about the relationship in here, our project? What is the advantages of the project?
Well,
what do you think about it?
The best thing is it's that you meet here too much people from another countries.
Yes.
You know, Erasmus Plus is the relationship. You make here too much friends. You get information about the other cultures. You are very interested about the cultures. You have many experiences here, and for example, for me it was very good because before that I didn't know anything about the Bulgaria, but now I'm in love in Sofia because I like the city. It is very clever, it's very clear, it's very quiet, and the people is very nice here, really very nice.
Do you want to add something? Do you want your suggestions about
I have
event
that for my opinion that every youth should participate in Erasmus Plus because it's the great opportunity to raise yourself.
Okay, thank you for
You're
your
welcome.
answers. Okay, bye.